Well, good morning, YouTube. It's currently the 9:13 in the morning on Tuesday the 12th. I think it's the 12th. I don't know. I know it's Tuesday. Really windy out here. Came out here earlier and my gate was broken. Not my gate I just went out, but the one that leads to our trailer yard was like blown open. The bungee cord that was holding it was snapped, and one of the hinges on one of the right side of the gate was snapped. So it was all sitting at a weird angle. I managed to get it put back in place and closed, but there's no telling how long that's going to last if the wind hits it again. I still haven't fixed my broken spoke. I haven't broken anymore. I went for well, not yesterday, but the day before yesterday on Sunday. I went for what I thought was a 14-mile ride, but according to Strava, it was actually over 15 miles. On a broken spoke, and I didn't break anymore, so I need to do my brakes. If I squeeze a little harder, they work fine. It's just I'm not squeezing hard enough. They're not worn down to the metal yet, so or worn down to the point where the inside of the caliper is hitting the disc, I should say. So how's everybody been doing? I've been doing okay. Just working on. I created a new YouTube channel, which I'm going to start uploading soon. It's going to be a food channel. I'm going to quit posting food stuff on my e-bike channel. I created a whole new channel. It's called Larry's Odd Kitchen Creations. So any of the things I've posted on my current YouTube channel, I'm going to transfer over there. I'm having trouble finding all of it though, because it's hard to search for your stuff on your YouTube channel to download them, because I don't have them saved anymore. I have to download them again and re-upload them on my other channel. Yeah, because I made a pizza making video that was like almost 30 minutes before, and I broke it down into a series of shorts by part numbers, and it only shows you on your search results like 5 of the videos, and there's a button that says show all, so I hit the show all button, but then it showed me the wrong info. This guy was gonna run the damn stop sign, dude. Oh fucking well, bro. Sorry, bad word, I did it again. Said a bad word, sorry. I'll stop saying bad words one of these days, unless I get in an accident or something, and I'm gonna freaking curse like a pirate, because that's gonna hurt, and I'm gonna have to get that out. Ew. I don't know how far north I'm going to venture. It's going to keep getting windier as I go. The wind's blowing south. It's blowing southwest-ish this time. Mostly south. Yeah, it's like 60 degrees out here. It's not bad. I'm not cold. I'm comfortable. I'm just getting really staticky as I go. I'm going to have to be careful touching any metal with my bare hands when I get home. Or my cats, you know, good old static cats. Those are so much fun to pet. You're like, oh, you're loving your cat, and then zap, you're like, oh crap, and then they're looking at you like, why did you shock me, Larry? My usual moaning and groaning sounds, not sexual moaning and groaning sounds. I won't do that to you. That'd be messed up. It's like, wow, he really likes riding his bike, doesn't he? Ugh. so windy. So windy. Yeah, I uploaded some videos yesterday. They didn't go over very well. I uploaded 2 like cooking videos, like a short and a regular video, both the same length, just the same video, just like resized basically, and they didn't really get any views. And then I uploaded a couple shorts and they didn't get bike shorts and they didn't get any views. So I was like, I think I want to stop uploading on Monday. Monday seems like a bad day for my channel. And now channels. But I get excited. I still, even though I've uploaded thousands of videos, I still get excited when I upload. I'm like, ooh, I wonder how this one's gonna do. And then I get not so excited when it just tanks. I'm not making videos, I'm making tanks apparently. My camera's kind of telescoped off my chest right now. I had to adjust the view of it when I was making my short, my cream cheese whiz hot dog videos. So now my camera's like, I can't get the pivot arms back in the right place for some reason. Yeah. Going uphill, going pretty steep hill right now. Doesn't look like it on the camera, but it's pretty steep. You know what? I need to check something. I think my tire's going flat. God, I hope not. Hope I'm just being paranoid. Let's see, am I being paranoid? I am totally being paranoid. My tire is perfectly fine. Just in case though, I'm still going to look and see if there's anything sticking out of it. Because these tires are really stiff, and I might not be able to squeeze it right away to see if it's going flat, but seems to be okay. You know what though, I'm kind of getting bummed out. This tire I bought that was supposed to be an MMG, but is the same tread pattern but a different brand, thanks to the seller sending me the wrong tire. Seems to be, whoa, seems to be wearing out faster than the other one would have. I got a connection issue somewhere with my bike. Like when I take my hands off the throttle, it's like getting power somehow and the wheels are trying to move. I'm sure I didn't tweak my camera when I got off there. No, I'm good. Luckily, it looks like I missed the school rush already because it's like after 9, so all the kiddos have been dropped off, so I don't have any traffic to worry about right here. Oh, ow, I hit that bump before, I forgot about it. Kind of sad when you have to like slow down and dodge a bunch of crevices in the road, like I'm trying to ride off-road over rocks. never like a bueno situation. Oh my God. Ooh, chilly, chilly, chilly. It's like somebody threw away a microwave. It's a big old microwave too. Probably a microwave / convection oven. Those things are cool. My Aunt Shirley had one at her house over out near Devore. And I didn't know what it was. I'm like, why is there a metal rack in your microwave? Isn't it going to explode? And that's how I learned about convection ovens. When I was little and I was living at the house on Hillview Street in Highland with my mom and my nana, who passed away about a year and a half ago, my grandma, I accidentally stuck a twist tie in the microwave. I left it on something and I walked away, and then all of a sudden we hear all this noise coming from the kitchen and the microwave's like zapping all over the place. And this is like in the 80s, so microwaves weren't as high tech as they are today. This is one of those I'm making it up as I go kind of ride. There's no clear plan for where I'm headed. Just trying to avoid the brunt of most of the wind if I can. I don't feel like getting blown around today. Don't read any more into what I just said. Yeah, this is a pretty steep hill and I'm slowly accelerating up it. So imagine my bike on someone half my size, man. They'd hit top speed on this bike in like within like 20 feet or so, even going uphill. Yeah, see, that's what I was worried about. I'm getting to the top of this hill and the wind's starting to hit me backwards. That's hence the camera position is going down because I'm trying not to fly backwards. I've literally had the wind hit me from my left side around here, and it literally pushed me to the right before. Like I've had my wheels like come off the ground, and I got pushed sideways before. It was kind of scary. I was like, oh crap. Kind of had to like start angling my body to catch the wind as opposed to be abused by it. If I was skinnier, this wind wouldn't be this bad because I wouldn't be like, there wouldn't be that much of it for it to hit of me. Actually, I was wrong. The wind's not blowing. Was it blowing southwest? I can't tell. For my fence to have been broken, it faces east. The wind's blowing southeast. I don't know why I was blowing south. I thought it was blowing southwest. Yeah, it's blowing southeast. I was incorrect. I was mostly correct. It's mostly blowing south. I was tempted to ride up the dirt on the side of the road today or down here, but I decided with the wind it's probably not a good idea. Ah, shit, I wanted to turn there. Oh, well. I'll turn down here. I think I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go down here instead of going down Pershing. Maybe I'll go up and go over to Sepulveda and go down Sepulveda. I don't know. Let's see how I feel when I get down to this next intersection. Yeah, I can go over. I'll go over to Sepulveda. I can go over to Sepulveda. This is also a very, very, very steep hill. It doesn't look like it, but it's a bit of a climb. It's a even more bit of a climb on a regular bike, which is what I used to have to do when I used to live over here. I lived in a couple different apartment complexes over here. Not at the same time, obviously. I lived at actually 2 different apartment complexes in a house. I rented a room for my sister's boyfriend for a little while. I was going to show you guys the ramp that Charlie built. Charlie's the name of my Nana's boyfriend. He's still her boyfriend. She's dead, but you know, he's still considered a part of our family. They were together for like decades, so he built this cool ramp so my mom could easily get up into the trailer to feed the cats that were babysitting for him. And I didn't know how long. He made like a long, almost like a wheelchair style ramp that would lead up into a trailer, a mobile home trailer. And he's like in his 80s. And that damn trailer, like, that damn thing's professional as heck looking. I mean, we're talking about a guy who's had both of his hips surgically replaced with like synthetic stuff or something. Something happened. Both his hips had to get fixed. And he still gets around okay. That's got to be a vanity plate. I just don't know what it means. Got a little dicey there. A little traffic I had to deal with. It seems like the wind's calming down over here a little bit. My bike's a squeaking and a creaking. Because I need to lube some stuff and I need to figure out what's a creaking. I think I'm going to go all the way down to 30th today and cut over. I was just imagining what it would be like to be doored by somebody if I'm going full speed. My first priority would be for them to get out of the way. I have it in my head, if that were to happen and I had enough time, I'd say, hey, get back in your car real quick before I slammed into them. Knowing my luck, they'd yank the door shut at the same time, and instead of hitting the door flat, I'd hit like the edge of the door, thereby injuring myself even further. Of course, I could just be a dick and let them not jump back in their car and get out of the way and just run into them, because they'd be a hell of a lot softer to hit than a door, and it would be their fault anyway for opening the door without looking before they leaped. And I have a camera, so I'd be able to prove that. Especially if it was like a fat person, I'd be like, ooh, that's a pillow I'm going to run into. There's a couple of bumps down here I gotta watch out for, like that one. I think there's one more right now. It's not. Oh, yeah, that's kind of bad too. Why is the lights all red? Weird. Why are the lights all red? Are the lights all red, Larry? Come on, man. It's important. Gotta say things the right way. I probably could have made that. Oh well. So it's one of those quiet red light moments that was quiet until I opened my mouth. Oh, man. I should be editing all these out, but I have this habit of talking when I stop because I can actually articulate and breathe. Or breathe and articulate. That makes more sense. My camera seems like it's swaying around a lot. I wonder what the video is going to look like. I have to put a warning, possible motion sickness on this one. I should have stayed over. I should have got behind those guys. Usually I get behind them. I don't like blocking this road because there's enough room to make right turns right here. But now I'm the dickhead in the way. But luckily I don't think nobody's coming up behind me to turn, so I'm not that big of a dickhead in the way. It's always such a rough intersection to get across in a hurry. Wish one of these electric bike sellers or manufacturers would send me a full suspension bike to test out. I wonder how well that would work around here with all these dang bumps everywhere. It's like, come on man, let me test out your suspension. Send me a bike. There's all kinds of, like, watch my videos to see what I'm talking about. I think I think I've lost a lot more weight. I'm not going to guess at a number since I don't have a scale, but I feel lighter. I keep feeling lighter and lighter and lighter. And I keep riding a lot because of it, so. My shadow's definitely looking a lot skinnier. You gotta remember though, when I'm riding, I've got a backpack on too, and I've got longish hair and a beard, so all that makes me look a bit bigger than I actually am. So I'm an object in shadow is larger than it's smaller than I appear. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Nope, bad bottle glass. I hate having to swerve in the middle of the road when there's traffic behind me, but you know, I also don't want to get a flat tire because some lazy person threw a bottle in the dang road. Dang bottle tossers. Or pieces of metal like the one I just ran over. But that could have fallen off of something. Can't really explain how a glass bottle ends up in the road unless it was tossed out of a vehicle. Or you would say like maybe someone going through the trash cans left it. Like, I'm pretty sure that wouldn't happen because they're recycling. That's why they're going through the trash cans, and they're not likely to miss a whole bottle. Got it. Sometimes my tongue just doesn't want to work right. Oh, wow. There we go. I managed to take that turn down that hill at full speed. I felt like I had the balance today, so I did it. I'm patting myself on the back, not literally, because then I would crash. The officer's like, what were you doing? I was patting myself on the back literally, and then I crashed, and now you're here. The fire department in an ambulance. Oh, I got tree trimmers. It's like they're on a break or something. I don't like when there's like, there's like trees on either side of the street and they grow that nice canopy like over the freaking street and it's all shady and stuff, but then the tree trimmers come out and then they start cutting into it and then like it goes away and it's like, oh, come on, that's like picturesque and beautiful and shady. Why would you get rid of that? Those trees have their leaves intertwined and they're communicating. Oh, man. So I'm going home now. I'm done for the day. I wasn't even planning on going today, but then I just was watching videos on YouTube and got bored and said I need to go ride my bike, so that's what I'm doing. But I'm done being bored. Now I got more videos and stuff to edit and a new channel I got to build up. Oh, one of my things, one of the affiliate things, like I told you guys, well, I don't know, I'm trying to be an affiliate with Amazon, Target, and Best Buy. Target denied me. They gave no reason. They just said, reason, none. It's like, okay, well, screw you guys too then, whatever. Honestly, I don't really like Target's products anyway. Their stuff's way overpriced. I'm amazed they're still in business. Target's expensive, man. And their stuff's like no better than Walmart. But they're way too freaking expensive. Even their store brand stuff's way too expensive. Maybe I'm happy I'm not affiliated with them. I don't even shop there. I just remember that. Now I'm just waiting on a email from Walmart and Amazon. I need to restructure the links I have in my description because I have other things that I've been approved for affiliation, and I need to eliminate some of those e-bikes out of there and try to figure out which ones are the more popular ones and list those. And then I can add other stuff because there's a lot of stuff listed in my description. I should be able to do like a popularity review online somewhere. Just the name of the bike and is this bike a popular e-bike or something? That'd work, but that's going to take a while because there's like, what, 30 bikes or so I've got listed on my descriptions. Oh, there goes that into the ride air coming out of me. Normally I would leave the gate open because I got to bring the cans in later, but with the wind I'm actually going to close it now. Let me see how far I went. 10 miles. Nice. That's awesome. I like that. Ugh. It's a little dry out here. My nose is kind of itchy. There goes Leo the cat up on my fence. Leo, what's up, buddy? Oh, maybe I should start a third channel and call it a cute pet channel. I think I need to focus on these two channels right now. Getting ahead of myself. Maybe I can make a channel based around GERD and hiatal hernia friendly foods or something. Because the stuff I'm going to be reposting on there's definitely not that user friendly when it comes to those conditions. I'll tell you what. Oh man. So remember, it'd be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. Appreciate you signing up. I lost a subscriber. I don't know what happened. I must have upset them somehow. Sorry. Old subscribers, thank you for hanging in there. Now I kind of botched my outro a little bit there, but you know, it's a thought that counts. And sometimes my thoughts are a little askew. Random viewers, consider subscribing. I got lots of videos, and I'm a fairly humorous person when my brain wants to work and I can talk. Not like right now though. I have lots of short videos and lots of long videos, and most of my long videos are broken down into shorts and then posted as long videos as well. Sometimes edited, sometimes not, depending what kind of video editing wild hair I get. You know how it goes with us aspiring content creators. Oh, let me show you this. So this is the fence that broke over here. As you can see, it's kind of tweaked. It broke over there. One of the hinges broke over there, and I don't think it was like that before. And then it was like blown wide open, like wide open. And I had to lift up this one and put it back in place. The one on the right. Well, here's that ramp I was talking about. Hopefully this isn't locked. No, it's not locked. It's just there to keep the wind from blowing it open. But this is the ramp. This is the ramp Charlie built. An 80 plus year old man built that. I know it looks a little hinky, but he did it in a day. So that's from my mom, so she can get in there. One of the cats is in there. Sabrina's in there right now. Simon is still up in Morro Bay at my Nana's old trailer, because he decided to run out of the trailer on the day that Charlie was coming down here with cats, and he couldn't find him. So Charlie's gonna bring him back down here though. And here's Leo. Leo wants to go inside. Wants to probably get some crunchies. Probably wants me to pet him. So with that, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next e-bike ride or e-bike maintenance video. And that's pretty much all. A cute pet video for the time being, unless I make another channel. Or if something interesting happens in the city of San Bernardino while I'm out and about, I'll go check it out for you guys. Okay, bye.